If your energy keeps crashing, it's not age. It's a warning. I'm saying this with care because most of the mature age community never see it coming. You move through your day, you do the same routine you've always done, but your energy, it keeps dipping, dropping, flattening out in ways that don't feel like you. And here's the truth: your body isn't running out of fuel, it's sending a signal you've been taught to ignore. If that's been happening to you lately, stay with me. And if we haven't met, hi, I'm Claudette Eames, a certified mental wellness coach, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength naturally after life's heavy seasons. And one thing I've learned in my own body and in the people I support, your energy doesn't crash because you're getting older. It crashes because your nervous system has been carrying more load than you realize. And when your system hits that threshold, the first sign isn't pain, it's fatigue, fog, slowness, heaviness. Those are warnings, not weaknesses. Today I'm going to walk you through what's actually happening and what your body is trying to tell you before it screams. There was a stretch of time in my life, not dramatic, not chaotic, where I kept thinking, why does my energy feel like it drops out of nowhere? Why am I fine in the morning and wiped out by 2? Why do small things feel bigger than they used to? Does that sound familiar? I wasn't sick. I wasn't overdoing it, but my energy kept crashing. Not once in a while, but pretty regularly. It's like I almost could count on it. And the more I ignored it, of course, the worse it got, right? But here's what I didn't understand back then. My nervous system wasn't failing. It was flagging me down. Hey, you've been carrying too much for too long. Hey, you're stretched thinner than you admit. Hey, slow down before your system forces you to. The moment I stopped blaming age and started listening, things shifted. Not overnight, but enough that I could feel myself coming back online. It was like all things were plugged in. Everything was happening. Here's what I wish someone had told me sooner. Energy doesn't crash randomly. It crashes in patterns. Your nervous system always signals first. You just might not recognize the early cues yet. Fatigue isn't laziness, it's protection. Your system is dialing you down so you don't burn yourself out. It's trying to keep you safe. You don't fix energy crashes by pushing harder. Most people make that mistake. Pushing only tightens the system more. Kind of, you feel that. You fix crashes by giving your nervous system room. Room to breathe, room to regulate, room to recover. The mature age season is your strongest season. You're not declining. You're getting clearer. Your body just needs different support now. And once you give it that, your energy responds fast. So if anything I said today hit you, if you've been brushing off your energy dips or telling yourself it's just age, I want you to hear this. Your body isn't breaking down. It's speaking up. And you don't have to carry this alone. If this landed even a little, drop energy or send me a private message. I'll help you take a simple, grounded next step that meets you right where you are. Because your energy isn't gone. It's waiting for you to listen. Thank you for being here. I'm Claudette, and I look forward to talking with you.